Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. Hinyotreb Youth Council observes Black Flag Day to protest unbridled oil price hike. Meghalaya Truckers Association informs Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong the plight of truckers. Yongkuli resident pressurizes state government to settle the border dispute with Assam. And street vendors increased along Lemkra roads after COVID-19 pandemic. And now the news in detail. In Meghalaya, the Hinyotreb Youth Council today observed the Black Flag Day to protest the unbridled oil price hike by the Meghalaya government. In this regard, the members of Hinyotreb Youth Council took out a protest rally from Motpran to Kandailat Police Bazaar in Shillong. The HYC members placed banners around the Motpran Memorial Monument near Yodo in Shillong, protesting the state government's inability to control the unreasonable hike in the prices of oil, diesel and gas in the state. When the marchers reached Kandailat, they were held up by the state police to not proceed further. At Kandailat, the members of HYC again placed banners on railings and also released balloons into the air as a mark of protest against the state government. Speaking to the media, the HYC General Secretary said the hike in the prices of petrol, diesel and gas will not only affect the car owners but particularly the poor people of the state.
Sen kami rangkat ke jing trelang jong ke Shillong City bat kumjuk ru bat ki district ke badan fair jong ke seng po rilum khasi we jantia mental singi ke artrik jong diu benai ngila rai ban pelong yang ke program Black Flag Protest hakabangin penpau ya ke jing persyak ke jongi ya ke jing kiudor klemran jong ke umpniang diesel bat petrol hapok ke jela ke jongi kumba baru ngitip naduk ke ni katayo ke beladap ke jing kiudor jong ke petrol kala dap bantam ya ke sispa tingka bat mentara singi kala poe du sispa we bat sispa ar tingka baka diesel kala poe du khandai pisau bat khandai pisam tingka kani ke jingkiu dor jong ka umpniang kam kata tangi kitu kiba don kali tani kita ki beruspa de ke jingkta ka deiru ya uduk urang li ya unong rep ujongi unong belas ngi ubahap ban pendon kami ki kali kamai baru ngitip nadu bawan kani ka lockdown jong snem arjar arpo Nilayu iya kajing soasat ya kajing jenjar jong kinong rep ki jongi ki balada ki wan rai ki tiar ki jong ki bende ang dia po Shillong ki hak bende ka dor si tengka bat tengka si kilo jor mila ban poi ban perkhat balada ka bai kali kala poil pa di ki arspa balai spa tingka tang ban wan hang dia Shillong barangi hap sak ban siu lane bende yo jor ka dor si tengka bat tengka lane ditat hadu kat no kan long kajing lenyar lane kajing shim jenjar jo kinong rep tikani ka ni nakaliang jong seng isngo baka jingkiu dor jong umpniang kam kata tangi kitu ki badon bam mereka kata ru ya uduk urang li nama dei maki ki bahap ban im lang ba ka jing pendon kami ki kali kamai tilada ka dor jong umpniang kanang ya kiu na kasngi kan poi kapor ba kinong nya kali ki haban ut ban penkiu ka bai kali tiki ban so asat baki ban jenjar kindai kinong rep ki jongi tinakaliang jong kaseng ni penpau bat ya kani kadak kum ka jing persya ba jing sosi alor ka jing kuman jong ka sorkar jela hoj hak khat santrik jong mentau benai nakaliang jong seng ila depan ai ka jing tho hakami lane ka office jong chief minister jong ka jela ka jongi nritat hadu kani khlemat ngimpat yoi ba kandon kanu ka ta ka jubab ya ka ka ba ka sinjam ka ba ka sorkar kan sim hak bai dei ba kani ka jing jong uduk urang li.
The HYC also organized a similar program at Nongpo and Riboy district to protest against the state government for unreasonably hiking the prices of petrol, diesel and gas in the state.
Hakaleng juga dikasih jantia. Haman ke district headquarter. Malam matha naga sang kimi nilai ini untuk si syahmat barwa kumakilayui ki black flag ki flags ki banar mo per ban penpau. Ya kajing semua diau. Ya ka sorkar. Barkum ta seng leng bagan ka sini ka pemerintah idon ni ka bankarpat. Ki excise duty ki ba labu hi daka sorkar kimi ki VAT kiba la impose daka state government nioi kala kiu hadu kata-kata kumbang iya smutu basic price jong ka umpiang la dangia kran kan poi tang ko basau punyau hadu sampu tungka tang jong ka petrol le bai kran ni kata henry hadu menta kadang dei kesin ka beningkong haka history jong kari India ka petrol kan kot parat spa tekani ngani ka basmusi kani ka basmusi namar ba laisha la benong ka state government hagaju ko por ka central government kila bu ya pai ba hapeng kajing linyar ko kha dina kada kadau kum kaseng kumang ong IP kaseng kababa kabakit ni kalungkor jang kinong shnong kibu kisuk kiba kumang yisung tu menta kiba bun kiba bala mestep mesni bam damir bun naki nong shnong jungi kamtam poring boy kabun kini badum dan rei gajing kiu jong ka petrol ke diesel LPG kalau bu ya paiba hapling gajing lenyar ka bakrau namar ba we bal akiu dor ki peniang ki marba mardi baro ki bangi penerkam halai ngasem man kasi kilai kiu kan dengan gajing shisha pada kali yang seng gadawa ya ka sorkar jela bahkan bendu nano nakai ka bakabat kadon hakan ka por ka menta 100% ke penhiarno charges habide ka petrol diesel berkunjur ke LPG kata kan di gajing terpat ka message ka bangi gua ban penpau ka sorkar ban kowe ka bakam kepang.
Meghalaya Truckers Association today informed Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong on the plight faced by the truckers. The truckers told Tinsong that their jobs have been taken away by non-tribal truckers coming from outside the state. The truckers who carry cement and clinker are saddened for their earnings have also come down drastically because the cement factories are not observing the terms and conditions for transportation notified by the Transport Department, Government of Meghalaya.
That produce in any factories within the state of Meghalaya should be given to local truckers, whether they belong to Meghalaya Trucker Union or to any other union. But it should be given preference to the local authorities, local truckers. And why we are demanding up to 85% is because recently we have seen that Star Cement alone have purchased around 250 trucks to transport cement from their plant to various parts of the country. And as far as the news and the information that we receive, Star Cement is still in the process of ordering another 250 trucks so that they can transport the products to different parts of the country. If 500, 600 trucks are owned by these cement companies, what will be the condition of the local truckers which are here in the state of Meghalaya? Are we going to go out of job? If we are going to go out of job, how do we serve food in the plate of our family? So that is a very big concern for the Meghalaya Truckers Union. That is the reason why we have talked to the cement company, but the cement company up to now they are adamant to our demands. They have not given any assurance that they will solve the problem, or they have not given us any assurance that they will give us even to some extent any quotas. That is the reason why today we came and meet the Deputy Chief Minister, whereby we have also talked regarding the Meghalaya Industrial Policy 2012, where we have suggested to the Deputy Chief Minister that maybe it is time for the government to amend the Meghalaya Industrial Policy 2012, whether they should add transportation as one of the main employment for the local truckers in the state of Meghalaya.
Meghalaya Directorate of School Education and Literacy, in collaboration with Ministry of Science and Technology and Department of Science and Technology, New Delhi, today organized a state-level exhibition to inspire awardees 2020 to 2021 at Meghalaya Bharat Scout and Guides State Headquarters at Shillong. The aim of this program is to encourage students to exhibit their creative and innovative ideas which could be replicated for implementing projects. The students who could reach the national level will be given various incentives, including participation in international workshops and conferences.
A state-level exhibition for Inspire Awards Manak. So Inspire Awards Manak, it is a program that is jointly executed by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, and National Innovation Foundation India. So under this award, students from class 6 to class 10 can participate, and we're looking for innovative ideas. So students with innovative ideas, they can submit their ideas, and the teachers can register the schools online, and ideas can be nominated online. So once the ideas are nominated online, there will be a selection process. So district level competition will be there. And if a student is selected at the district level, he or she will receive a sum of rupees 10,000 each. So with that money, they can build model of the idea. And after that, there will be a state level exhibition. So at this state level exhibition, if a student is selected, then we will give mentoring workshops. So we're preparing them to go to the national level before they go to the national level. So, and at this stage also, students can also apply for more funding if they need to improve the models. So at this stage, during the mentoring workshop, we invite experts from different institutes to refine the projects, to refine the models and prototypes. So these students, they will go to the national level, and top 60 ideas from all over the country will be selected. So these top 60 ideas will be awarded, and apart from winning award, they will also get the opportunity to visit Japan. We have this student exchange program that is called Sakura Student.
The residents of Yongkuli area located in Ribhoi district on the border of Meghalaya with Assam, along with the support of Garo Students Union and all Ribhoi Garo Women Association, today held a peace rally at Madan Maikuli to pressure the state to settle the dispute between Meghalaya and Assam. The meeting unanimously decided that they will not agree to the give-and-take policy of the state government while trying to resolve the border dispute with Assam. The meeting also decided that not an inch of the land that belongs to Meghalaya should go to Assam and vice versa.
और योंगकुली और बतौलपुसी टू खानापारा तो ये बॉर्डर एरिया में इतना साल से कितना लफड़ा चलता है। 1985 से जब इधर में बिलिंगता में शुरू किया था, बिलिंगता का जो स्कूल कंपाउंड वो लोग तो खोल गया आसाम। उसी टाइम आसाम मेघालय में डीडी अपना चीफ मिनिस्टर हुआ था। उसी टाइम वो लोग आ गया, मीटिंग हो गया, फिर भी फैसला नहीं हुआ। और खमरुप का उधर में डीसी एंटी था, कार्बी आदमी, वो लोग आया या हम याद आया अभी शाम 5 बजे तक उधर में मीटिंग किया, लेकिन आसाम अभी तो कोई जगह बिलिंगता का स्कूल प्ले ग्राउंड सब लेके आसाम अभी तो खोल करके मेघालय का हम लोग का तो रास्ता का ऊपर साइड में हम लोग नया बना लिया ऐसे। उसके बाद में अभी इधर में भी माइकुली में भी अभी ऐसे हो गया। रोबोस्तान हम लोग का ग्रेवयार्ड, हम लोग का ग्रेवयार्ड भी क्रिश्चियन का ग्रेवयार्ड, कैथोलिक और बप्टिस्ट का ग्रेवयार्ड वो लोग ऑक्यूपाइड किया है। वो लोग फोर्सली इधर में हम लोग का ग्रेवयार्ड में मट्टी काट के, उसी टाइम तो जेसीबी भी नहीं था ना, आदमी से मट्टी काट दिया, उधर में फोर्सली लेबर लगाया, मट्टी काट दिया। उसके बाद थाना शुरू किया था, कंस्ट्रक्शन थाना शुरू किया तो उधर में पुलिस भी लेके आया। और पहले भी वो लोग वही जगह में हम लोग मेघालय PHC टैंक भी लगाया था। उसका उसी टाइम में हम लोग का हेडमैन, एक्स हेडमैन जोनाथन एन संगमा वही था, उसको भी अरेस्ट करके लेके गया। हम लोग का मेघालय का PHC 5 सब वो लोग लेके गया असम का। उसका बाद में और हम लोग का जो ये ग्रेवयार्ड हम लोग आदमी मरने से यूज़ करना है, हम लोग का आदमी मरने से उधर में ग्रेवयार्ड यूज़ करने के लिए वो लोग मना करते हैं।
The street vendors are increasing at faster pace along the roads of Lemkra and Shillong after the COVID-19 pandemic. Speaking to the media, the Lemkra vendors said they are forced to sell their goods along the roads after the COVID-19 pandemic because of hunger, and also they have to save their children. They also said they were unable to sell their goods in the shops because the rents these days have become extremely high. Speaking to the headman of Lemkra, Andrew Takar, about the problem of street vendors, he informed that Lemkra does not fall under the street vendor zone.
Katkum ko jing sutho bahadin bala ekran bat ki municipal bat na po office yang DC begile di statistics ki barem ki bala don shwa ban ka pandemic katkum ko jing batai ki jongki ken yang ni tingi khemla statistics kata katkum ko jing batai ki jongki ki barem ki bala asyong na to pandemic bane compare begitu ki ba wan thamai mata te mon khandai 4% ki ba thamai srai te shwa ka to gila iyo ngamte te ndai manta khandai 4% gini ba thamai sura buan shong di madat te na trai vilaya sutoi nam dan kam shi ban percaya ki nongtrai municipal ki officer jong municipal ki nongtrai municipal nangta ki magistrate dari in charge for Lemkra ro ki tip hai kani ba ka nga la ai ka no potli shi complain ya jing jakhlia jong kini ki long de madan harian bagila mi dala kot ke jing de ke jongki jan mi pin pe ki jakhlia ko shirkhai ba naman kham jur shishu mentale hadin ba la kerno ya ka tu jaka bari man snai ka yomo tu ka dan ka trap ba jaga municipal bi yang hatu mencua kili ban berat hang tu mentapat ki e be no hang tu kisar kan kisar iti jaka la jong tu nomor ngi yat be man ka por ban halaya ki ba ki di ban khot ba ki bri ban penjak ya kisar kilum nama ki e hang tu si ngamla ban keno e ki do nomor kim ban jaka berat man kili berat keluar ki kamera di babon mata kamera simet ki mobile kamera dan ki kamera ba install apa ka Shillong ki don ni di hendai ke jing ban mata kalau ba ki ba ki lum hang tu di sisin ba ki ba ki lum hang tu ki jak lia di ki so bi babon ki so sorok bi babon ki wan ki tan ki penjak lia ki ra kemudian ketua jak lia kan ban step dai ki serkai ba di nakaliang ka municipal kiti bahay kani bar nga ada komplain do yaki la bon sen dai nakaliang ka jongkir go pi kasi gidon ki jing duna ji de ko ba kimla ban bo den bat ki ken handai ngila yeng bat nga napa municipal kiti bahay kani gidon ka to kadingot kirang ba bagi kena samla nya Shillong ru ngila yeng lang bat nga ba police point ngila yeng lang bat nga ante jan yo ngila yeng lang bat nga to jan ba break yet pencuaru akisngi bangiyang mangi kemudian kieu yang ni kira akibat
di Ramadan kita datang di Ramadan ông di sang mai kada ba lai bol ka habio lai luit te hab lai luit jaga di song mai ta te dan no puen di shui lai mun ta ke de badan no kuit long ji ro khnang man ji khliat ai la we choi te nama nga le mak singa kit kriya nga le keleng ba sudong kada su thai ngai song ta te ta khai song po lau dukan ok ba tum long lai choi ta pen haslap lihat bangsa hap lihat kita ji siai ji le banyak de kriya ni siapa pen kali tu kom nam ji ba de ka kriya le kom man ni keren siap hap tu ba kat siapa poi dengan le de kita mai tu hap si ji le ko hap jong te oi pen thut ini pen thut benar-benar ji ba ya cinta te sao ông brio pelai tu jaga ji pelai tumbe ji ba thu he tumbe kong ji de slap ben ne jin de no ne jin rất là cùng các anh ji dạy không có dukom le chong sate mi se hite ka banga ke kriya noksi ga syang kalang kam au dalap slap kal eram sikli rumdan ya le.
Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.